Just when you thought that things couldn't get any more bizarre in the Kissa of Kejriwal, it just did. Today, the Enforcement Directorate claimed in court that the jail Delhi Chief Minister is deliberately trying to compromise on his health in order to seek bail on medical grounds. To put it simply, the ED says Mr. Kejriwal is trying to fall sick so that he can claim that as a ground to get out on bail. If the ED is to be believed, Arvind Kejriwal, who suffers from diabetes, is deliberately eating mangoes, aloo puri, eggs, and sweets, as well as having tea with sugar in order to raise his blood sugar levels. The submissions were made by the Counsel for the Enforcement Directorate before courts hearing Arvind Kejriwal's application that sought permission to consult his regular doctor in jail through virtual conferencing. Now, Arvind Kejriwal had moved this application to allow virtual consultations with his doctor thrice a week so that his blood sugar level and other vital parameters can be monitored. Remember, the Delhi CM is a patient of type 2 diabetes. He has claimed that his blood sugar level has been fluctuating and therefore he should be allowed to consult his own doctor, not the jail doctor, his own private doctor. The ED deferred. The investigating agency said that despite being allowed home-cooked food, after claiming that he had high diabetes, Mr. Kejriwal is consciously consuming sugar-rich items. He knows very well that consumption of such things results in increase in blood sugar, and yet this is all part of a plan so that he creates the ground to seek bail on medical grounds.
Diet chart has been placed before the court. The diet chart had mangoes and sweets. We placed before the court. Regularly consuming sweet foods, which is not permitted for any diabetes patient. I don't want to make any further comments. Matter is pending before the court.
यही वजह शुगर बढ़ने की
withdrawn their application. They have withdrawn, but the person is in court's custody, and it is the duty of the court to take care to ensure that they are not being a hazard to themselves.
त्यार जैसे रिपोर्ट भी मंगाई सर?
Yes.
कब पेश करनी सर?
No further comments. कल के लिए लगा था.
Now, the ED's counsel told the court that the agency was concerned about the expression alarming increase in diabetic levels used in Kejriwal's application. The court has now sought Mr. Kejriwal's diet chart and medicine details from Tihar jail authorities. The ED said that its submissions are based on a list of foods that they have obtained of what the Delhi CM had been eating over the past 15 days, starting the 2nd of April, as well as a list detailing his blood sugar levels. So on the one hand, they took a chart of all the foods that he has been consuming. Remember, his lunch and dinner comes from home and his breakfast is provided by the jail authorities. They looked at the food he was eating, they looked at his blood sugar levels, and the ED says the documents submitted show that consumption of foods with high glycemic index had actually led to a spike. The blood sugar stood at 116 on the morning of 4th of April, which is close to normal, but it rose to 280 on the 12th of April and further to 276 on the 14th of April, both considered quite high. The BJP is now calling all of this an attempt to get out of jail and get sympathy.
अरविंद केजरीवाल बहुत ही शातिर अपराधी की तरह सोचते हैं, बहुत ही शातिर अपराधी की तरह बातें करते हैं। दिल्ली की जेल केंद्र सरकार के अधीन नहीं, दिल्ली सरकार के अधीन आती है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जानबूझकर डायबिटिक पेशेंट होने के बावजूद मीठा खा रहे हैं, और ये वो इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि इसका बहाना लेके वो बेल के लिए अप्लाई करें। मेरा मानना है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ऐसी साजिश ना करें, इसलिए उनको तिहाड़ जेल से हटाकर उत्तर प्रदेश के डासना जेल भेजना चाहिए।
So the BJP is saying don't keep him in Tihar at all, send him away to Uttar Pradesh. The Aam Aadmi Party has given this saga another sensational twist, addressing the media in the evening today. Atishi, the Delhi cabinet minister, claimed there's a huge conspiracy afoot. And this conspiracy, like they have been saying all this while, is to kill off Mr. Kejriwal by not giving him insulin, by not giving him home-cooked food, basically to torture him behind bars. She also said that despite having very high sugar levels, the Tihar authorities are deliberately not allowing Mr. Kejriwal to consult his doctor or to even take his insulin.
ये जो सारे झूठ ईडी द्वारा बीजेपी द्वारा फैलाए जा रहे हैं वो इसलिए फैलाए जा रहे हैं कि वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को दिए जा रहे घर के खाने को रोक सके। क्या ये एक साजिश हो रही है अरविंद केजरीवाल की जान पर हमला करने के लिए कि झूठ बोलकर अफवाह फैलाकर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर का खाना रोका जाए और फिर तिहाड़ के खाने के माध्यम से उनकी जान पर हमला किया जाए। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी तिहाड़ की जेल अथॉरिटीज से कह रहे हैं कि मुझे इंसुलिन दे दो, मेरा शुगर लेवल बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन तिहाड़ की जेल की अथॉरिटीज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को उनका इंसुलिन नहीं दे रही हैं। ये क्या षड्यंत्र है, ये क्या साजिश है? आप उनकी जान लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं क्या? तो जो चाय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पी रही हैं, जो मिठाई अरविंद केजरीवाल जी खा रहे हैं, वो इस स्वीटनर से बनी हुई है। सारे सीरियस डायबिटीज के पेशेंट्स को इमरजेंसी के लिए अपने पास 2 चीजें रखने को हमेशा कहा जाता है। केला रखने को कहा जाता है और किसी प्रकार की टॉफी या चॉकलेट रखने को कहा जाता है, क्योंकि जब आपको सीरियस डायबिटीज होता है तो आपका शुगर लेवल एकदम से गिर सकता है। कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सिर्फ 1 दिन पूड़ी खाई थी और वो था नवरात्रों का पहला दिन।
The simple question then is, could there be any truth to claims that Arvind Kejriwal is trying to deliberately consume sweets or sweet products to inflict damage on himself only to create reason to get bail? Or is this actually a very serious conspiracy underway where he's not being given insulin, where he's not being given access to his doctor, and where now he may just be denied home-cooked food? Joining us on the debate, Sanjay Jha, author, political analyst Dr. Akashdeep Muni and Sanjeev Kaushik, both support the Aam Aadmi Party. Dr. Swati Maheshwari, internal medicine specialist. Tushar Gupta, also political analyst. And my first question is to spokesperson of the BJP, Tuhin Sinha. It can't all be a coincidence for the Aam Aadmi Party to say, 1, that you're not giving him insulin, 2, that you're not allowing him access to his doctor, and 3, that now you're trying to rid him of his home-cooked food. Can people really believe that Arvind Kejriwal is sitting and eating mangoes every day or sweets every day because he wants to kill himself or he wants to harm himself? Tuhin Sinha.
Well, good evening, Padma. Good evening, everybody. Well, it is not impossible. It is not it is not something which unimaginable for the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, the fact is, Delhi, the Tihar jail comes under Delhi government, and Delhi government would not do something, would not deliberately keep Arvind Kejriwal away from his doctors, would not keep him away from insulin. Arvind Kejriwal was desperate to come out of jail, and I think after the censure from High Court, Delhi High Court last week, he should have been more calm, he should have been more composed, but instead he seems to be looking for desperate measures, he seems to be looking for desperate ways to get out of jail, and unfortunately, if these desperate ways are indeed true, that shows the psyche of hardened criminals like Charles Shobraj. So, I think my advice to him would be the next time Sunita ji goes to jail, she should make him see the video of Rajnath ji when he was put in jail for 18 months during emergency, the kind of composure, the kind of calmness that he showed. I think it's been a few weeks for Arvind Kejriwal. He should have patience, he should have faith in the judiciary instead of concocting, instead of himself trying to harm, him and looking for desperate ways to get out.
Okay.